we're doing some more things on the Astra. Not strictly necessary maintenance, but this tint, it just has to come off. It's horrible, it's bad, it's annoying. You can barely see anything out the back. And while it is TÜV legal, for some strange reason this crappy quality tint is actually TÜV legal, it has to come off. And it has been bugging me, and it has been bugging Kelly even more, who wants to remove it. So we're gonna get on with that. Yeah, another thing on the Astra is these side markers. Somebody spray painted them black badly. And TÜV guy told me take care of that, so I'm taking care of that with some turpentine. And hope I can revive these. Turns out this indicator itself is wonky. Depending on... like, this is not plugged in right now. And it works. If I plug it in further... oh no, it works. But if I move anything a little bit, it stops working. And no, it's not as in on, off, on, off. This is already the bulb from the other side. This bulb over here. It's a little bit cracked up and stuff, but it's also working once I find a position. But this actually wants to work in. So, yeah. I cleaned it up. No, that's the wrong one. To this degree. It's a nice bright bulb. It's good enough. But yeah, I need to find a working position, permanent working position for this. Well, better than before. This is the old one, or the other one. Looks almost as bad, but hey, good enough. Okay, we have indicators that indicate again and visibly do so. This one isn't on right now. While Kelly is on the tint job still, down in there, I just wanted to check the headlights, how to access the bulbs to swap them. And now I'm wondering, does this look like a stock Opel header to you? This does not look like a stock Opel header, does it? I mean, this looks like it's an actual header, like an aftermarket header. 4 individual runs into a collector, turning into 2 runs. Hold on, can I? Yeah, like this. This doesn't look Opel, does it? Does this thing have like a full exhaust system on it, not just a crappy muffler? This looks a bit nicer than Opel. Not great, but nicer. Huh. I'm gonna have to like image search like what this is supposed to look like on these 2-liter engines. Huh. Okay, so this one works. This one doesn't. And just based on the light color, this is a good headlight, good bulb. Which is this plug here on this side. Good. Wobbling on it doesn't do anything. Doesn't revive it. So I guess it's just a dead bulb. Can we get in there with the camera and see anything? Come on. That looks broken, doesn't it? Yep. Come on, focus. There you go. Yep, that's a dead light. Okay, this is where Kelly is calling it today. It's a lot of tiny little pieces. But yeah, this is a little over 2 hours of work. And obviously it's not done yet, but it's mostly done. And yeah, we're gonna continue tomorrow. Kelly's gonna finish it off tomorrow. I'm gonna just remove the housing here, just 2 screws back there, and then we can get to that. But yeah, it is already looking a lot better. I mean, you can actually see through the car now, you know, which before you had just like this mess of bubbles and bluish tint. So the tint on the sides, as funny as it's gonna look, this might actually remain for 2 reasons. First of all, it's actually like fine in terms of like no bubbles and stuff. It doesn't obstruct view. And second of all, that window over there, passenger side rear, doesn't roll down. That window does not do anything, not through this switch here, there, nor the one on the driver door. This window does not want to roll down. And I don't fancy replacing a window motor, I think, on this. So this might just stay as it is, as long as visibility in the rear is given, which is what we're working on. So, to be continued tomorrow. Oh, and I just found a bunch of speaker wire. One almost says, I noticed it before, I don't know, I forgot. But yeah, there's a bunch of nice speaker wire for all kinds of things. I have no idea where this is going. There's not even a radio in here, so this might run... Oh, there's another cable going somewhere. This might run through the entire car. What I'm probably going to do is make sure it's not connected to anything, so it can't do any harm, and then we'll ignore it. Okay, I'm trying to use this stuff to get rid of this shit. We'll see how that works. Hi, Joe. Bye, Joe. Dickhead. Well, I just did this part, and it's a bit difficult to see, but it did remove the glue, but it also... I can't focus on that. Yeah, this is the rear defroster. It also took like layers of that, it seems, like in some spots. And there you can see another one. Nope. Come on. More light. Yeah, there. Like there. There. Oh yeah, down here, like... Hold on, come on. Focus. Focus. I guess it's good enough. Anyway, I'm not sure this is anywhere else, but it seems that this gooey stuff removes a lot of things, even maybe things it shouldn't remove. The problem is, what it doesn't remove is all the little tint bits. I don't know. I'm not happy with this.